I'm now at the station waiting for the air train that will take us to Jamaica Station. The payment for the air train will be at the end of the ride, so just hop on the train and we'll be paying once we get off the train.
This train is a Jamaica train, stopping at Federal Circle for hotel shuttles and rental cars, and all airline terminals.
These are the machines to pay for the air train ride, and we need that ticket to be able to exit the air train. So let's now exit the airport and we're gonna take the subway to get to Times Square. I booked a hotel at Times Square. So we just follow the signs to subway. We're gonna need another card for the subway. I decided to get the 7 days unlimited ride. Although I won't be here for 7 days, but I will be using the subway a lot while I'm here. And I think I'll be able to save rather than buying a single ticket every time. Cost of the 7 days unlimited ride, $34. We are now at the lobby of the hotel here at Times Square, and luckily they already gave us a room even though it's only 8:30 in the morning. And this is going to be our room for the next couple of days. The guy at the front desk was super nice. He even upgraded the room to a corner and king-size bed. I'm actually surprised the room is pretty big for New York City standards. And this is our view. Times Square is only about a block away. And this is the bathroom. And of course, I got a room with a microwave and a fridge. I was gonna go out to get breakfast, but it was so cold and I'm so tired. Good thing there was a cafe inside the hotel which is just by the lobby. So I just got a sandwich and a coffee so I can have breakfast before I take a rest. I will try to rest for a couple of hours. It's still early anyways, and we'll try to catch some sleep before anything. Yeah, it's so cold outside.
Yes, it is. Tomorrow.
Uh-huh. It's about 3:30 p.m. We're gonna go out to just explore the neighborhood, and we're just gonna go walk around the area. I could just stay in the hotel all day today and take some rest, but I just forced myself to go out even for a little while to at least see something for today. But we're just gonna be here around the hotel neighborhood. This is Rockefeller Center, and it's just a few minutes walk from the hotel. It starts to get really cold, and let's go indoor to warm up a little bit. I have no plans of shopping, just really need to warm up. And I think this one is the H&M store. This building is really nice. It looks really fancy, and this is the Rockefeller Plaza. We've warmed enough already, and we were able to go outdoor now. Walking around the Rockefeller Plaza again, and was looking for some maybe green juice to make me feel better because I'm not really feeling well, and I found this store. I got this green juice, and hopefully this will help. I'm not really feeling well, maybe because lack of sleep and also the weather. I got really excited when I saw Magnolia Bakery. I really wanted to try the banana pudding, but I realized I still have to go to dinner. Not sure if it was okay to carry it around for a while because it might melt or something. So I decided I'll just get it after dinner. So for dinner, we're gonna go to Ichiran Ramen. Hopefully there's no line. I guess we're lucky today, there is no line. So, Ichiran, they say it's the best ramen in Japan. I really hope I could try Ichiran in Japan someday. So, upon seating, they gave us this paper to customize our ramen. So, just have to circle your preferences. These are my choices.
We'd like to pay at the front. Thank you so much.
Bakery to buy that banana pudding, and I already got it, and this is what I have. So we're now gonna walk back to the hotel. We're just gonna eat the banana pudding, the dessert at the hotel, and it's already about 6:30 p.m. So let's head back. These people on the right that are lining up, I think they're waiting for the bus. I saw a sign earlier about the bus, and it's pretty long line. Food cart on the street only in New York City. This is part of Times Square already. M&M store is across the street. Oops, someone dropped their M&Ms. And this is our hotel already, Hilton Garden Inn in Times Square. So it's really close to Times Square. We're finally back and see how cold it is outside. The weather outside. I just finished taking a shower, and let's try the banana pudding from Magnolia Bakery. So I think I got the medium size, and this was $6.95. That was really good. It's not too sweet and it has real bananas. I could actually finish this whole thing in one sitting, but I'll try not to do that. But actually, it's easy to finish this whole thing. That's how good it is. I highly recommend this. It's 10 out of 10. It is a must try when in New York City. It's so good.